Hey, I'm Dr. David Seji from Momentum Chiropractic in San Luis Obispo, and today we're going to talk about arm pain. Where does it come from, what's causing it, and how can we make it better? All right, so your arm is made of three main things, right? We have the arm muscles that attach to the shoulder, the elbow, sometimes even at the hand through the forearm. We also have the bones and the joints between the bones that help your arm to move and move in a proper position. And then, most importantly, we have your nerves. Your nerves are your electrical wires that make all your muscles, your bones move the way we want them to so you can do everything you love to do. If we have pain, typically that's a problem going on with the nerves telling your brain that there is a problem going on here. Now, sometimes if it's more of a general pain, that tells us that it's referring from somewhere else and referring down into the arm. That's a sign that it's actually a more specific problem, a little higher up on the nerves. If it's like a pinpoint pain and it's sharp, that's a problem directly with that area. So if you're working out and you're like, wow, I have this general pain, interesting, it's actually probably coming from further up with the nerves and they actually got tweaked versus your actual arm. So first thing we got to do is figure out what is going on. To do that, we want to do a careful evaluation and exam of the arm, the muscles, the joints, see how they're moving, as well as the nerves. Are they getting messed with? Because if the nerves are getting choked, then the muscles will never work. Because what is a muscle? It's just a piece of steak that is controlled by your electrical wires called your nerves. So if those aren't functioning properly, it's a big deal. So we have to start with an exam, maybe take some x-rays, see what's going on in there, see if there's any damage that we need to be aware of especially, and make sure that we get your arm pain to go away as quickly as possible so that you can get better and do the things you love doing. Make sure you see a local chiropractor, get an evaluation, get checked out, and make sure we get you feeling your best.